Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to enable Gboard on Huawei Nova 2i. So guys, first thing is just simply go to the Google Play Store into your device. And after that, go for the search icon and the search bar at the top. And just simply search for Gboard and make sure to have this application installed into your device to enable the Gboard on your Huawei Nova 2i. And once it is done installing and downloading, you can just simply go ahead and open the application into your device. And now just simply select open and select enable in settings and just simply go turn on Gboard and select OK and select the input mode to the Gboard. And from there guys, you should be able to enable Gboard into your device. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching.